How to easily insert shapes in Google Docs. So to start, we'll have to open our browser, and then as an example, I'm going to open a sample document. So in here, as you can see, I have one here. So to insert shapes, all we need to do is to tap on this insert option, and then in here, tap on this drawing option, and then tap on the new option. After that, we'll have to go here on the shape icon, simply tap on this one, and then tap on the shapes option. After that, it will show us different shapes here. So as an example, I'm going to select this square shape, and then in here, we'll have to move our cursor to draw that shape. So in here, once you're done drawing the shape, you can also add a color. To do that, tap on this fill color icon, and then in here, it will show us different colors. All you need to do is to select the color that you preferred, and then after that, you can also add a border line. To do that, tap on this border color option, and then in here, I'm just gonna select the black color. And then once we're done editing the shape, simply tap on the save and close option. After that, the shape will be automatically added here. If you want to move the shape anywhere on the document, all we need to do is to select the shape, tap on this behind text icon, and then after that, you can now move the shape anywhere on the document. So that's how easy we can insert shapes in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!